You are watching this video because you have decided to see if family mediation will help you and your family. You may know something about mediation or have a friend or colleague who has been through it. This video will hopefully explain the process in more detail. Because you are willing to try mediation, it is important to know what the first stage will be. During a telephone conversation with one of our team, you will be asked if you are privately paying or if you are eligible for legal aid. Legal aid helps people who are either on low incomes or on benefit. Following this, you will then choose a date and a time to have your MIAM. This stands for Mediation Information and Assessment Meeting. This will last between 45 minutes and an hour and can be carried out in person or online. Your MIAM will be conducted by an accredited family mediator. Please remember that at the MIAM, only you will be attending. Your ex-partner will not be there. They will have a separate meeting. During the MIAM, you will give your personal information, talk about the mediation process, and also discuss what issues you would like to talk about. If you want to see the MIAM form our mediators complete, then visit our website and you will find it under Policies. Many people worry that the mediator will pass on information to their ex-partner. This does not happen. Mediation is a confidential process, so what is said in the mediation room stays in the mediation room. In the meeting, the mediator will listen to what you say, and based on this, will decide if mediation is an appropriate means of resolving the situations you face. You will be told either during the meeting or very soon after by email if mediation is suitable or not. You may also decide yourself that mediation is something you don't want to take part in. If this is the case, please let the mediator know during the MIAM. If the mediator says that your case is suitable for family mediation, they will take dates and times that you're available to attend. It is really important to give priority to the appointments as you would a court date. During your MIAM, your mediator will tell you about the two different types of mediation, shuttle and face-to-face. If your mediator says that shuttle will be used, you will both be given different arrival times and possibly told to enter the building at different entrances for your appointment. You will also have separate waiting areas, so you will not see or have any contact with your ex-partner. During the mediation, you will be in your own rooms, and the mediator will go between them, discussing proposals put forward. At the end of the mediation session, you will leave the building at different times, so that there is no need for you to meet with your ex-partner. Face-to-face mediation is where you, your ex-partner, and the mediator sit together at a table to discuss the issues you are facing. However, before the start of the mediation, you will be asked to sit in separate waiting areas. Many people think that once face-to-face or shuttle mediation is chosen, then they have to keep to it. This is not always the case. Mediation may start by using shuttle, but after some time, the mediator may ask you both to consider moving to face-to-face. On occasions, the mediator may also talk to you about moving from face-to-face to shuttle if they believe it would help the mediation. A frequent question we are asked is how many mediation sessions will it take to sort problems out? There is no real answer for this. It really depends on how you and your ex-partner work together during the mediation sessions. On our website, we have lots of information about the mediation process and also a blog which has many interesting articles. We hope this video has helped you learn more about family mediation and the process. Thank you for watching.